What's going on YouTube? ShadowFox4562 here, coming at you with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a opening of 29 randoms and cross souls. There are 30 here, but I'm going to pick one random pack for the winner that commented on my video last time. And that winner is Samuel Burke. So, sir, you get this pack. So, just message me or I'll message you and I'll get your address and then I can send this to you. And if you would like to win a free pack, then please leave a comment down below on the YouTube video. And let's get started. Out of pack number one, I'm just going to do the rares and hollows because everyone knows the commons by now. We get a Ritual Beast Tamer Zephyr Windy and a Bloom Diva the Melodious Choir. That's cool. So that was an alright way to start off, I guess. An Ultra, that's cool. Next pack, we get a Zefrangu, Secret of the Yangzing, and we get a Dragig. So that's cool. 2 hollows, 2 for 2. We're doing good. Third pack. Third pack, we get a Rank Up Magic Revolution Force. In the next pack, we have a Junk Anchor. Junk Anchor. By the way, I'd just like to thank you guys so much for viewing my last video so much and commenting the way you did. I got 20 plus comments. I got like 30 or 20 likes, I think, and I got almost 1,000 views on it. So, and a lot of subs out of it. So I appreciate that, and just keep it up. Thank you. Next pack, we got a Zephyr Exciton, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce these cards. I'm so stupid. Next pack, we got a Raid Raptor Blaze Falcon and Melody of Awakening Dragons. Lord of Dragons with his guitar. Next pack, we got Surtur Rebirth and another Dragig. Or, yeah, that's how you pronounce it, Dragig. Yay. Next pack, we have a Void Purification. Next pack, we have a Surtur Rebirth and a Necros of Sophia. That is a secret, and that is pretty as shit. So one secret so far out of our 29 randoms. Let's see if we can go for 2 and get a better than box ratio. A Yosin Oyam, and yeah, that's it for that. Zephyr Wendy, and no hollow. We got a Raid Raptor Revolution Falcon, no hollow. A Surtur Rebirth, no hollow again. No, we're hitting a dry spell. This ain't good, guys. All the hype and momentum's gone. We started out strong and they're just like bleh. Sea Dragoons of Draconia. Junk Anchor. The hype is dying. No. A Raid Raptor Revolution Falcon and a Harpy Harpist. So yeah, okay. Hype's coming back. We got a super. A Melodious Illusion. We got a Fusion Conscription. Oh man. A Surtur Rebirth. a Zefrangu, and nothing else. Come on, packs. Give me something to celebrate. Please. A Wendy and a Void Vanishment. Okay, so it's a holo. So I'm okay with it. That's alright. A Zephyr-Exciton. Actually, I didn't show you the Void Vanishment and the Harpist, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Fanfare! Void Purification. You got a Moon Mirror Shield and another Necros of Sophia. That's kind of disappointing. I didn't want more than one. Performable Elehammer. Well, at least both Sophias were secret. I don't really want the ulti. A Yosin Oyam and a Galaxy Eyes full armor Photon Dragon. Next pack we got Void Purification. And that is it. Most broken card in the set. Putrid Pudding Body Buddies. This shit is amazing. Pick them up now. They're going to be like $30. I'll sell you all of mine for 10 cents. The other Melodious Fusion. And the last pack. See if you can pull a holo. Got a Moonmere Shield and nothing. Oh well. Okay, so tell me what you thought, guys. If you want anything, I guess PM me. So for the review, just like all the holos and stuff, we got a Galaxy Eyes Full Armor Dragon, a Necros of Sophia. Actually, we got 2 Necros of Sophia. 1 Harpy Harpist, 1 Void Vanishment, 2 Drags. The Melody of Awakening Dragons, and Bloom Diva, the Melodious Choir. So, all in all, I mean, we got 2 secrets, so that's about 2 boxes, and then we pulled 1 Ultra and 6 Supers. So, if you like this video, please leave a comment down below, and if you would like to win a free pack, please leave a comment, and leave a like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time, guys. Peace.